Hello everyone, it's in Stream Trades back with you again on this crypto altcoins update and I'm actually traveling right now but still want to make some videos for you because you enjoy the content. And today we're going to talk about Cake, which is a native coin of the Pancake Swap. And probably most of you know that Pancake Swap is a decentralized DeFi exchange, um, and there are a lot of exchanges right now, and most of them are decentralized. But while like the Pancake Swap, first of all, they are a liquidity provider for a Binance, which means that they will always have a lot of liquidity there. So if you want to exchange one coin into another one, you don't have to worry that they will not have enough balance to do that transaction. They probably will do it 100%. Another thing on the Pancake Swap, here I have their website. Um, they have a lot of tools. And over here in the main menu, if you go into the pool, then you will find something really interesting. You can stake cake tokens. Right now, they have two options. You can have a flexible APY, which gives you a small percent, but also you can lock your finances for several weeks or like a half of a year or even a year, and then you can boost your APY. Now they are offering 87%. And here's a calculator that actually you can check it out. And for example, if you will stake 1,000 cakes, $1,000 exchanged into the cake, that will give you 335 cake tokens. And let's measure the duration. For example, well, let's say I want to stake it for the maximum of the 52 weeks. Then what they say is the ROI will be that much, and you will gain 293 cakes if you will lock your cake tokens for that time. This is really interesting. Why I think so? This is interesting. Actually, I already staked my cakes that I've bought, and some people will say, well, I actually did it somewhere here at this price, and some of you may say, well, uh, you staked it here because I thought, there's like a really nice support area, and I really thought that the cake will bounce from here and go high, and that will give me not only the increase of my cake tokens while I'm staking, but also the price for the cake tokens will rise. So that percentage will get even more higher because I expect in the long term the price for the cake tokens also to go up. But it actually went low on minus 74%. Why I do not care. Even if it'll go lower, I do not care. Because, guys, I still getting the APY and I'm getting more and more cake tokens. So I actually plan even to buy more whenever we'll break out of this channel. Whenever the cake will break this channel and form several candles above it, I will actually add more into staking because I will get more cakes, the price will go high, I will make more money. Okay, now let's look at the chart. Why I think that it's a good thing to invest into that token. Not a lot, like I told you, the most part of my portfolio, the biggest part is Bitcoin, then the smaller one is Ethereum, and then I have a smaller portion for the altcoins, and Cake is one of them. Here I have a very interesting chart and a very interesting parallel channel. I found that it really works good. I'm on a 1 week time frame. Here are several touch points. Here's another one, and you can see it respected it so good and so much, and actually it just bounced from it not so long ago on the 13th of June. And also notice how it respects the middle line. But this is not the thing that I wanted you to show. Some of you may already notice that. Let's change the color and the thickness of the line so you can see that. Many of you may already notice that it looks like a huge bull flag, and you know how to measure the target for the bull flag. You take it from here and project it. Well, let's say, for example, it'll break out of this channel somewhere here and go that much high. Well, let's check out. For example, I bought it here, so my cake price is over here. And for me, if it'll go that high, just look at that percentage. That's 12,000%. Plus, I'm gonna get cakes, more and more cake tokens all the way on the way up there. Isn't that crazy return? So I do understand the risk, and I do understand that it's a very risky thing to do. But you know, without the risk, there is no reward. And I prefer to risk a little small part of my portfolio in order to potentially get that huge gains. This is my strategy, and again, it's not the financial recommendation. I'm just showing what am I doing. And For right now, let's go ahead and check some other indicators. You see that we bounced from this channel, right? Let's look at the stochastic RSI, and you see that it's about to have a crossover in the oversold territory, which signals that potentially we gonna be looking for a price rise somewhere here. Also notice there is RSI. RSI is almost as low as it never been for the Pancake token. In-stream trades indicator also over here, and you might already see a little divergence here. Let's go ahead and check out the 3-day time frame. What do we see here? Still below the EMA ribbons. You can see here the divergence, and not only on the stochastic RSI. You see the stochastic RSI is showing some good divergence. Also notice that the regular RSI, same way, showing you a divergence. Another bullish signal. What about in-stream trades indicator? Well, same way here, you can see it's about to do a crossover and give us another divergence. So on all of my favorite indicators, we may find a divergence. Also, let's go ahead and use the Fibonacci retracement from the swing low to the swing high and check out, bam, it's exactly at the 50% retracement. Over here is the golden pocket. Will it go that low and touch the golden pocket? Who knows, but just in case, we have to be prepared and may just add this area into our chart. It surely can. I mean, it can come here, have a little test and retest, find some resistance, and go lower and touch it somewhere here. But also the price may just continue to go high, find some resistance, trade here for a range for a while, and then go higher. Nobody knows, but I believe that it's a good time right now to start accumulating, especially with that huge APY. All right, now 1-day time frame. You can see that it already had several tries to break it. Here was a long signal, here is a long signal. By the way, if you will check in the video, there was a strategy that I posted, I don't know, maybe like a month ago or several months ago, about EMA ribbons strategy for the Pancake tokens. I think I will have a link somewhere here in the video so you can go ahead and check it out. It's really interesting too. And on the 1-day time frame, let's go ahead and look at the indicators. Well, we had over here a crossover from the oversold territory, so there might be still another push lower here before it'll go high. But also notice, do we have any divergences here? Well, stochastic RSI is not showing a lot of divergence, but you can see it here on the 1 day time frame. The regular RSI does have a divergence. How about the in-stream trades indicator? Same way here, there is actually a huge divergence on the 1 day time frame on the in-stream trades indicator, which is really powerful. Actually, we should wait for this white line to cross the zero line. That will give us another good signal and good indication for the potential rise of the price. So I showed you a pretty cool information as far as I think about the Pancake Swap talking. Uh, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are still not subscribed. And the most important thing, one more time again, have a safe and profitable trading. And talk to you later. Bye. Bye bye, guys.